Hey YouTube, today I want to do a quick video on how to replace the ink on a HP Envy 4520. So basically on your left hand side you have, like, as you can see, a groove. You lift from there, it will pick up, and you see that your ink cartridge move over. Make sure they're lined up because you won't be able to take them out. So you have two tabs, the color side, the black ink side. Bring the tabs up, it will slide out. Take that one out. Same thing with this one, slide out. As you can see, make sure it's lined up. And that is the ink you need. Okay, when you buy your new ink, you grab it, put it in, lock it in. Same thing with this one. Put it in, lock it in, just like that. Now, as you can see, when the door is open, when the thing is open, it tells you that. Now I will close it, and it will start checking, and you're good to go, all set. Well, like and subscribe. Thank you.